How to fix the network lag hyping issue in Wuthering Waves. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about fixing the issue with the network lag and hyping while playing the Battle Ring games. So let's proceed with the next step. Right-click on the Start menu and choose the option Run and type here ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Now here is where you need to either have an Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. You need to right-click on it and choose the option called Properties. And now first of all, uncheck the TCP/IPv6 and now click on TCP/IPv4 and hit the Properties option. Now we're going to use the DNS server and type in 8888 as the alternate DNS server and type 8844 below. Click on the OK button and close it. And now click on the Start menu and type CMD and run the CMD as administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and then hit Enter. Once the DNS is flushed, go ahead and relaunch the game to fix out the issue of the network lag and hyping while playing the Battle Ring games. Now using both methods, I can help you fix out the issue. In the last step, I suggest you to install the game into your SSD. If you have installed the game on your hard disk, either move the game and then reinstall onto the SSD, because installing the game on SSD has fixed the network lag as well as the hyping for many users. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, I request you to please like the video and click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving the updates from my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.